According to Hazrat Ali, ad-dunya darul fana'i wa darul amal. The world is the home of annihilation and action. Ad-dunya darul masa'ibi wa darul farar. The world is a house of suffering and a place of passage. Ad-dunya khuliqat li ghayriha. The world is created for another destination. Walam tukhlaq li nafsiha, and not for its survival. He described Innama dunya darul majazin wal akhiratu daru qarar. This world is a house of passage and hereafter is the place to live. Ahlud dunya ka rakbin yusaru bihi wa hum niyamun. The people of the world are like riders who are sleeping and the journey continues. Ad-dunya sijnun lil mu'min La yatlabu rohatan. World is a prison for moment. Don't ask for comfort in it. Mararatu dunya halawatul akhirah. The bitterness of this world is the happiness of the hereafter. He said, Ya dunya, ilayki anni abita rasti ammi ilayya tashavvakti lahana hinuki hayhat. Oh world, get away from me. You can't deceive me. La hajata li fiki. I don't want you. Qad talaqtuki salasan la raj'ata fiha. I given you 3 divorces, after which there is no recourse. He mentioned Iza akbarati dunya ala ahadin a'arathu mahasina ghayrihi. When the world moves towards someone with its blessings, then the qualities of others also give him dignity. Wa iza adbarat anhu salabathu mahasina nafsihi. And when the world turns away from him, then it takes away his own qualities from him.